business. So I
Yes.
think
0
we have the
to
right.
0 to 2. Hmm.
I think we have the right uh, entrepreneurs crowd who are looking for more answers on this. And I think I have posted the chat in the chat window the questions. If anybody else is
Okay.
having questions, please raise your hand or you can put your question in the chat window. Suchiji, we had a Government of India needs any specification for manufacturing and retail of soaps. Other than
Yes,
FDI, do we need anything else?
Yes, definitely you have to, because when you are making the soap, you have to be required, some permissions are required, not from the pharmaceutical type permissions, but the some permissions you should be required for that one. What product you want to launch it. So for, if you really want to take it from that one, so you can take the help from the T Hub. T Hub, the area where so many persons, if you don't have the labs or you don't have the any things, so you can try to do with the who is already doing the work in that area, not in the soap making, but another industry. So they have the place. For
Yes.
that, you have to be try to collaborate and do it. And from the college point of view, we have the incubation centers. You can approach us. We can provide you space, and we can provide you guidance also. And the incubation center, you can VJ Hub. If you're going from the VJ Hub, that is the incubation center is also available for the startups and entrepreneurs, newly coming startups and entrepreneurs. So you can connect there also. And if you're going visiting the website, and if you really want to, yeah, you just call me. My details are there, and I will arrange the meetings, because we have the very active VJ Hub. There is so many students is also taking the benefits, as well as the entrepreneurs is also, we are encouraging to entrepreneurs also for that one. And the second thing is there, if you are join any incubation center, not from the VJ, I'm saying from my college, that plus point will be there. If any government funds are coming, instead of taking the loans, you are eligible for the funds also. Direct, they are giving a lot of funds from this area. They need the products. They don't simply give the funds, but if you prepare the products and the products are really good, so you have just take the one or two area of the products, and then you have to go and you can raise the funds also. Not in the terms of the government, the government funding agencies, there are a lot of funds are available for the making real products. So there's a two or three ways, and there's definitely some specification should be required from the government side.
Yeah, and to add to Dr. Suchi's comments, we do have lab testing facilities available in various universities. Even Osmania University is extending its help
Yes.
in conducting these tests. The reason, the best part about the universities helping an entrepreneur do the testing and lab facility is that you will get it at a very subsidized costing, and the pricing is very affordable when compared to outside labs.
Yes.
So you can approach any of the universities or the T hubs, V hubs. All these are already into this, and we can connect you, including us as a NGO. We are also connecting you to the right vendors or right places where you can get the work done. So that being said, anybody having any question? So if there are no questions, I think we can go ahead with closing our session. Dr. Suchiji, thank you so much for giving a
Thank you.
wonderful presentation and a lot of insights.
Thank
Typically, it
you.
was related to a lot into science, and
Yes,
definitely the
yes.
understanding for us was crucial in this. Thank you so much for preparing a wonderful presentation and giving a greater insight into the chemistry of soap.
Yes. I am hopeful it will benefit from them. And there are so many documents is also available. They will use it and they can do it. That will be there. Yeah.
Sure.
Tell me. I have question. There's a one chat. Please
Who?
write your question,
Ma'am,
or you
Yeah,
can
please go
ask the
ahead and
question.
ask the question.
yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good
I'm
evening.
sorry if you have said already, ma'am. What are the
Hmm.
permissions we need from the government to start a business, ma'am?
Actually,
What are
right
the
now,
documents kind of thing?
documents is, it will be there. What happens once you have to be start any business or anything, so you have to register your company. Like that, you have to. If you're going from the some first in the small scale, there's no permission will be required. Once your product will be developed, and if you're thinking that you want to go for the commercialization, From the initial making the product, there is a no and no any
Yes.
no need to any type of the take the permission. Once
Okay,
you
thank
make the
you.
product and then you want to go for the commercialization, then only you have to require the these permissions. For the doing in the small scale, you can do it with own without any permission. There's no permissions will be required for the making own product.
Yeah.
When you making the product for the commercialization, when you want to commercialize, then only this permission should be required. For making the this is a own like your own work, like how you make the kitchen, how you do the curries in the kitchen, same thing will be here. So once you have to be making that one, then so some permission should be required. Then you have to go for the government agencies, especially from the ministry, where they are take care about the soaps and all these things, oil ministry and all. They have to give in the certain permissions. Ki you are your product is the coming in the this line and all this. But first you have to make your product, then only go for the permission for the
Okay,
manufacturing from the large
thank you,
scale.
ma'am.
A small scale, there
Okay,
is no permission will be required. Directly you can make
okay,
it and you can complete your all the analysis, and then you have to go. Once you have to think your product is a good, first you make your product and distribute in whatever their known area or known persons. Take the feedback from the their side. Once you satisfied from that side, then you think about the large scale. Initially large scale is not required. Whatever the products you have want to make it, especially from the soap, make their own soaps, and then you have to be just give to your friends and take the real feedback. It will be good or bad, tell them, they give the real feedback. Once the feedback is coming in the your favor, if it is not coming in your favor, you can improve your product, and then you have to go for the commercialization.
okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. For initial, there is no permission will be required. You can do and you can do the work as your own.